What is your name? Okay, so we've just learned 勺子 as in a spoon, 勺子, 勺子. But now I want you to learn 句子, 句子. We can see Anne here talking with her mouth. And what's happening here is that her mouth is basically wrapping, again, with the bow, with that character there, with that building block, we can call it. And it's wrapping around her mouth. Because what is wrapping around her mouth? Or what is her mouth wrapping, we can ask her. Well, sentences, obviously. So what we see is we have the character, or the building parts, we have wrap, and we have mouth, and that gives us sentence. It's pronounced 句, 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 句子. So we can see, anytime we see this character, we see a wrap and we see a mouth. I want you to think of Anne and how words just come out from her mouth. Because it's a mouth wrap. 句子. We add 字 at the end because it's nice. 句子. Oh.